engine have some peace and quiet for once?
Don't worry, Blue. I'm not going to bother.
What? Of course. I guess I'll have to get used to this horrendously dull livery.
I think you look good in blue. You look just like Edward.
I'm assuming you're speaking about the former Express engine. They shouldn't even have the right to call it Express when that outdated museum piece pulls it.
No need to be rude. Edward is fine when you get to know him.
Well, it's no surprise to me that he ended up on this sorry excuse for a railway. The railway that built him don't even want him anymore. He's much too old. He should be preserved before it's too late.
It's one thing to insult Edward. It's another to insult our new home.
You mean the Northwestern? This is no home for grand engines like us. We both deserve to be on the Great Northern, a proper railway for proper engines. I am a pure GNR thoroughbred, first of my kind, first of the grandest engines in the whole British Isles.
Oh, shut up, will you? You assaulted the Northwestern. You are now the main express engine, so deal with it. And for your information, I'm a Midland thoroughbred.
Midland, huh? So I meet you at last.
What do you mean?
I thought you were maybe a modified Atlantic at first, but I know you. You're a legend on the Great Northern. You're the Pacific freak made from stolen plans drawn by my builder.
Well, hang on a second.
You're also the engine who disobeyed Rule 55 while on the main line and caused a crash, aren't you? You're an insult to me and my class. I can't bother with you now. I've got a train to pull. Whew! Watch where you're going!
Well, okay, Blue, no need to shout.
Common tank engine.